Namaste. Happy Navratri to all. Today is day 2 and the color is red. We have Dr. Sarika Satav. I would welcome her. Welcome. Dr. Sarika Satav is a senior consultant of nutrition and dietetics. She brings over 16 years of experience in this field. She has completed her BMS and also completed her master's in dietetics from Pune University. She is an international diabetes educator certified by International Diabetes Federation USA. She is a nutrigenomic counselor from Gene Support. She expertise in critical care nutrition, certified by Royal College of Physicians, United Kingdom. Today, she is going to speak about nutrition importance in Navratra. My first question to you is it day 2 of Navratra? So it is depicts Mata Brahmacharini. So how does Mata Brahmacharini correlates to nutrition?
It's a nice question. You must have seen the picture of Mata Brahmacharini. She's with minimum ornaments, but she's having a good aura. It's a clean skin and a sattvic beauty, and it depicts the inner beauty. And how the inner beauty comes? Inner beauty comes with the good nutrition. So we have to have good food, good health for that inner beauty, and that inner beauty reflects in your outer beauty. So that is very important. That we should have good nutrition for the good skin and for good aura also.
Ma'am, as it is day 2 and the color is red, how does red correlate with this Navratra nutrition?
In nutrition science, the red color is very important because this red is related to our life because blood ka color red hota hai. So that red is very good relation with our life also and with the nutrition also. This red color symbolizes the life. So this life, what we are having now, is coming from the good food like red in color, the tomatoes or the strawberries or the cherries, and these foods are having some kind of phytochemicals in that. So like tomato. So tomato is having some phytochemicals like lycopene. So these are the very good nutrients for your skin also, for your cancer prevention also, for your cardiac health also. So these foods are very good in antioxidants and that give you a very good nutrition to your body. So this red color is very good for your health and for your balanced nutrition.
My third question is what is the importance of fasting in Navratra?
फास्टिंग का मतलब होता है उपवास. So उपवास is a Sanskrit word and उसका हम अगर differentiate करें the words, the up and vas. The up is where we are coming to near to the God and vas is to stay. So भगवान के पास में जाना is उपवास. It's nothing related to the actually what the food we are having in the fasting. So fasting के time में you should be very clean in your thoughts and very clean in your food also. So in food, what the food we are having nowadays for the fasting, like साबूदाना है या फिर चिप्स हैं या फिर आलू से बने हुए कोई भी चीजें हैं, so that are not recommended in our religion. फास्टिंग का मतलब है कि क्लीन फूड होना. सो अभी अगर हम जो कुछ भी खा रहे हैं फास्टिंग में, तो उसका एक और भी एक साइंटिफिक रीजन होता है कि जो ऐड करता है वेट गेन के लिए. So whatever the things we are having in the fasting, that is जो मैंने बोला कि साबूदाना है या फिर आलू है, that things we have added in the fasting. So it is not written anywhere कि on the fast you have to have sabudana or the aloo or the chips. So these things are added in your weight and it will hamper your health and it will add your weight gain also.
Ma'am, my next question is how can we balance nutrition though we are fasting?
Yes, what we call as a nutrition is a balanced meal. That is carbohydrate, protein and fat. Everything should be there in your meal along with your fiber and water. इन द फास्टिंग जनरली हम मैंने जैसे अभी बोला कि साबूदाना है, आलू है या फिर अदर जो कुछ भी फास्टिंग की चीज़ है जो हम रिकमेंड करते हैं या फिर हम लोग खाते हैं, दैट आर वेरी रिच इन कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू हैव कि वी हैव टू ऐड सम प्रोटीन पार्ट इन दैट. So instead of sabudana, we can shift to varagu, like varai in the local language. Along with that, the singada we can have in the fasting, and uske saath mein we have to add some protein in that. So protein for the fasting is paneer ले सकते हैं, curd ले सकते हैं, milk ले सकते हैं, cheese also we can have. So these protein foods we have to have along with the carbohydrates. And for the fiber, what the vegetables which are allowed in the fasting, like rajgira sabji is allowed, bhindi is allowed. So that things we have to have on regular basis. And in the salads, I think cucumber we can have in lot of amount because other salad vegetables we cannot have. So cucumber we can have at least in both the meals, so 2 to 3 bowls of salads in every day, and carbohydrate along with some protein part and very good source of fat like nuts. So these nuts we can have. This is a very rich source of good fat. So carbohydrate, protein, fat, fiber, and along with that hydration. So hydration comes with the water as well as with the buttermilk or the coconut water or the fruit juices or the lemon water. So these things we have to balance in the diet, and this will give you a complete meal for the fasting in the Navratri.
Ma'am, our last question is like what nutritional advice you would give in this season of Navratri?
See, Navratri is a very rich festival of vibrant colors. So, like this way, we have to have multiple colored food in the diet, which will balance our meals. So, these multiple colored food, like what we are celebrating today, is the red color, the same way the yellow or the white or any other colors. So, multiple colored food we have to have in the diet, and we should celebrate this Navratri festival along with that. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving a valuable updates on nutrition during Navratri. Thank you once again.